Hi guys, today I will show you how to replace the cabin air filter in Lexus GX550. First of all, open the glove box. Next, you will see this shelf inside. To remove it, you have to pull it towards yourself. Pull it like this, it will come out. We have two hooks on the bottom and two in the front. Now we'll remove this cover. For this you have to press on two clips like this and remove it. And here you will see another cover, guys. You will see two claws on the sides. You have to press on two sides like this and remove it. And this is our cabin air filter. Carefully pull it out. And here it is. To remove it, simply pull it out like this, and then you'll be able to install the new one. This guy is relatively new, that's why you don't see much debris. In general, this one should be replaced once per year. If you're using OEM filter as a replacement, you will see the up arrow like this on the filter. It has to match the one on the tray. On the aftermarket filters it may point down, and then this is how you have to install it, because the air flows from top to the bottom. In this case this is original filter and the arrow will point up. So now we'll have to insert the new one. One side has to be fully in first, then insert the other one. And make sure that it's all straight in the back. And now, guys, we can reinstall the tray. Insert it into the opening all the way. Now this cover goes in. It has to snap in place. Another one. And now I will reinstall the shelf. So again, this hook will go in here, the other one will go on the right. Insert it first, make sure they both are in, and then push it in all the way. And that's it, our replacement is complete.